suppose I have selected here 50 rupees. I would also suggest you to keep here your bid nearby 50 rupees, because below 50 I think there would be very less advertisement, and very less visibility would be there for your ad. So keep here 50 nearby, or 40. Okay, daily budget, define daily budget, that near about whatever you wish, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. I am setting here 300 rupees. Okay, then suppose that you are defining that if someone click on my ad, I will pay 50 rupees here. Okay, and a maximum per day would be 300, right? So just do a save and continue. Once you do save and continue, then what would happen here is it will tell you to define your ad. Okay, just create your ad here. Okay, as like examples are shown here. First, on the first, it should be very much attractive. Okay, like I'm pen drive seller, so I would like buy online. Okay, buy pen drive online. Description here, 20% discount. Okay, in the third round line, you can also write whatever you wish, free home delivery. Okay, display URL, your website name. Okay, suppose that www.xyz.com. Okay, suppose you want to, if you have another products as well, if you want to show it to your that particular page, then you can as well. Initially, if somebody click on your ad, in spite of redirecting to your home page, you can directly click them to the desired page as well. Just right here forward slash, and thereafter you write here that the name of that page. Okay, that okay, so that's it, guys. And after that, the main thing is that you have to select your keyword. This is the main option. There are options that you can use comma, as well as you can hit enter and select your keywords. So first of all, it's better, the main thing is this, you have to use keyword research tool. So for that purpose, click here. Once you click here, you would be redirected to keyword planner. It is also of Google, and it is for the purpose of measuring keyword value, traffic, and how much people are searching for that, how much they are bidding for that, how much they are paying, and how much you should pay for that, what is the demand of that keyword. Okay, it's better that to search and see the results here. Suppose I am a pen drive seller, so I would write here how much people are searching for. It will also give you suggestions as well. Just leave these all things, but this is important. Now select your targeting country. Okay, suppose if you want to target India, then if you are running your business in India, select here your own country and your own ideas, and click on get ideas. Once you click here, what would happen? Let's see. It would show you a bunch of keywords related to that as well, along with their demands, their competition, and their per click bid, which is being paid by right now, in the past by the other merchants. Let's see, suppose that the first group is that this is very exact figure, guys. Very less alternation could be done. So buy pen drive, buy online is being searched by average monthly 590 people in India. Okay, competition is very high. So this much people are advertising per month. I'm sorry, this much people are searching. Okay, competition is very high, advertisers are too much. Suggested bid is that if you are using this keyword, you need not to put your bid, manual bid 50 rupees. Just it is telling that if you write your manual bid that more than this, the 10 rupees or 11 rupees, it will there are probability to get you in the first page. Okay, if you are using this keyword is being sought too much by mobile online, by this is not pen drive online shopping, this is much better, pen drive online shopping. Okay, this is being searched by 2400 people monthly, and competition is as well high, but you need to pay more than this much. If this is the condition, don't pay 50 rupees, don't set your bid to 50 rupees, just you need to pay bid 10 rupees. Okay, so just select your keyword. Okay, since if I would select this one, you would get much visitor on site, because it is Google is showing the statistic that people are searching for this sentence much rather than this one. Okay, if you put your this keyword, then less number of people would come to your site. Okay, less number of advertisement will be shown to your customers. But if you put this one, then more number of advertisement will be shown, because since the search made by people would be more. So just copy this one and add to your keyword. Okay, hit enter and select other keyword as well. You can, if you wish to go back, click here, and lot many people are searching as well by this much 16 GB online pen drive, 32 GB. So let's see what is the chances that this much 16 people search by pen drive online 16 GB monthly. This much people search. You need to pay not 10 rupees for that, you need to pay 7 rupees for that. Okay, then what I would show you that how to set the bid. Just copy this and paste it after entering. Okay, and let's see how to set the prices. This is more than enough, no need to pay 50 rupees. If you have set 50 rupees, reduce it. Okay, let's see. And what would happen, just change your bid here. Default bid 50 rupees, it doesn't require, you can change here. 12 rupees is maximum. Okay, and save and continue to billing. Once you do this, you can select much more keyword as well. You would be asked to pay, make the payment. Okay, you would have to make the payment right here. Google as well offers lot many times the advertiser that pay 500 rupees and I would give you a credit of 2000 rupees. It's also good, you can use as well those coupons and those benefits from Google. Okay, particularly if you are a new wave, then definitely they will approach you for that purpose. So write your details here, business name, it's not required, contact name, whatever that would you have. Okay, okay, street address, whatever you want to, city, whatever you want to. Okay, state, just select your state, Arunachal Pradesh or whatever that would be, Karnataka -1, and write your phone number here. Okay, and continue. Once you do this, it will be redirected to payment page and you have to make the payment. Once you will make the payment, don't select automatic payment, because if you would select automatic payment, then it would be automatically deducted from your account if your payment will be less. Okay, or finished if you are using credit card. So select manual payment and just continue for the payment. Go and make the payment. Once you make the payment, it will, and click here on the billing summary. It will reflect your account after 1 hour or 2 hours, right? So once you once it will reflect your account, then you can, your AdWord campaign will start. It will start showing the AdWord. So what would you have happen? Let's see. Come back to home page. It is showing that one enable campaign is there. Okay, it is showing here, right? See, if you have any problem, if it will find that in this campaign your keyword quality is not good, or it is too much high, whatever you have bid is high or low, it will indicate here in this tab. You can make your necessary changes per bid according to your what do you call it? Go to keywords. Okay, go to keyword, and you can set individual bid for each and every keyword right here. So let's see. See, it is showing here that for this keyword it is on this is showing that if you see, this is much important. If you select here 28 rupees, if you would select less than 28 rupees, it will not shown to the first page. Okay, because I have selected here 12 rupees, because it show that if you select 12 rupees, it will it is showing that as of now bidders, the current merchants are paying more than 28 rupees for the first page. So you need here to change more than 28 rupees right here, because this is the current statics, and that was the initial that was the earlier statics which Google has kept in record. But right now what exactly is as of now live status is this: for this keyword, merchants who are on the whose advertisement is showing on the first page is paying rupees more than 28 for this keyword, pen drive online shopping. So you need here to change. Okay, just right here 30 rupees, definitely your advertisement will also show on the first. If it's so 50 rupees, you will be top. Yes, see, this is eligible now for the first page. Same is the case with, you are going to pay here 12 rupees. It is not, it is saying that set maximum for this keyword. They are paying maximum 37 rupees for the first page. If you select here 38 rupees, definitely will show on your first page. But if you select here 50 rupees or 40 rupees, then there are chances to show you on the top of the page. So guys, this is the thing, and you can see later on when you run your campaign, after making payment, you would show that how much people had purchased, how much people had clicked on your ad, how much it has been deducted, and how much money is left in this billing section. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. There are a lot much things. I know that you might have some confusion as well. So if you have any confusion, just write something in the comment box. I would definitely support you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I have a lot much to say on my other this YouTube channel. There are a lot much YouTube tutorials on technology as well. Just keep watching, or please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.